Hi everyone, my name is Jayola and today I'll be teaching you how you can verify your LinkedIn profile within 2 minutes. I'll be teaching you how you can get the verified badge on LinkedIn within 2 minutes of verification process. So you have two alternatives of verifying or of getting the badge. Number one is you must have this. The second option is that you must have your business email. But today I'll be teaching you how you can use your international passport to get verified on LinkedIn. Whether you are from Nigeria, you are from United States of America, or from Kenya, any country, you can use your international passport. Then I will walk you through the process. Now, when you get to your LinkedIn, you go to your profile. Then you will see verify in 2 minutes. Verify your identity. I think the only option on LinkedIn currently is to verify with a passport. So I'm going to click on verify with persona. Then you select your country of residence or the country that issued the international passport that you'll be using. You are going to select it. If it is United States passport that you want to use, if it is Nigeria passport that you want to use, you select it. And I will be selecting Nigeria because I'm using a Nigerian passport. Then you click on I agree to personal terms of use. I consent to personal collecting. You click on the two, then you continue. Do you see this symbol on the front of your ID? If you see this symbol, your government ID contains a chip that can be scanned. There is a chip at the front of your international passport. Here is the chip right here. This thing here, you are going to scan it. There is a chip around this place. Just watch this video to the end while I show you where the chip is. Then you click on yes, continue. You will be asked to capture the front of your government ID card where your personal details are, like where your personal details are, where you have your passport number, your full name, your date of birth, and your personal information. You'll be asked to capture it. Make sure you place your passport where there is a good likeness. You must not have a blurry picture so that it's going to capture the whole of the passport. And make sure that whenever you want to capture it, it captures the four corner of the passport. Now let's move on. Use this photo processing ID. You have to wait a few seconds. Yes, agree and continue. Now this is where we are going. Scan your passport using your phone. This place, you have to be very careful with it because you have to put your phone around the passport like this, slowly and gently. Make sure that nothing is attached. Maybe your pouch, you don't have a pouch because it can also hinder it from verifying well. And make sure that your passport is not in a purse, maybe in a protective stuff that can hinder the phone from scanning the chip effectively. So I have my passport here and I'm going to start scanning. It's authenticating, reading. Scanning complete. Yeah, I've been able to scan it. I'm done with the scanning. So the chip is around this place. You move it, you move your phone from this place, then you come slowly. Then once you get an information that something is already happening, you stay there and you hold on for about 10 seconds. Just stay in that position for about 10 seconds and it's going to be completed. Now personal, let's make sure you are you. This place you have to do your facial biometric. You have to capture your face so that I can know that you are a real person. Then I'm going to get started now. Okay, I am done with the capturing. Then it has been successful also. Then I'm being asked, they're asking me maybe I want to share the following data with LinkedIn. Yes, you have to share it with LinkedIn so that they can approve it and run a back-end verification. Then I clicked on share. So I got this information that thank you for verifying your identity. Tap done to return back to LinkedIn. You are verified. Yeah, the verified badge on my LinkedIn profile. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end. If this video has been helpful to you, you can like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.